right, good morning. Today is, Tuesday, September 24th. And as you can see right here, I am short this market right in here, not only based on the first half-hour breakout here, but I'm expecting this market to move a little lower. As you can see here, I've got 10 contracts on this. I'm just looking to make a little bit of money here before 10:15 and get out. As you can see, I'm up $375. Not a whole lot. Just looking for this market to move down a little bit here. Then I'm going to take some profits. I'm going to look to take profits at, look to take some profits off at 90 even. The round number of 90 even. It's the low of the day is 90 1/4. So I'm going to look to take off. Let's see. Let's change the amount of contracts to 6. We're really there right now. I'm going to sell 6 at the market. Let's see. All right. Buy 6 back.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. So, okay, got a little slippage there. Close profit 225 right there. I've got 4 on, so I need to change this to 4 contracts. And I am going back to break even, 90 3/4. Just really small here. Buy it back at 90 3/4. 90 3/4. I got a break even trade here. So just so I make something here. The market comes down. See, I should have had that buy limit at 1690 even, and I would have taken the profit. But
order filled.
So there we go. So I'm in and out real quick here. Again, based on that first half-hour breakout. Remember that first half hour, the third video I put out, that the low of the day, as you can see here, was 91 1/4. The short was 90 3/4. And 89 3/4 was the 1 full point. But I had some computer problems this morning, so I got in just a little late on that trade, so I didn't want to risk a whole lot on that trade. So again, I was risking above the high of the bar that got me short when I shorted up at 91. So it had already gone down to 1690 and then popped back up, so I decided to short it at 91. Took some profit off there and immediately went to break even. So again, I know those first half-hour breaks, those are very, very quick and nimble trades. I'm not risking much on that. I'm not looking to make a whole lot on that as well. So again, that's that right there. So again, I'm flat the market, and so far closed profit is 275 right there. So not bad. But again, we're going to watch this. The trend is down. All right, let me just show you. Yesterday, okay? Yesterday, the market opened up here, traded down big time, and then was able to rally, definitely rally further than I would have expected. And then the market came down near the end of the day and closed right in here. Today opened up right in here. So short in the market right in here on that first half hour. I was really anticipating the market to retest yesterday's low, which I think we just missed by 1 tick, right? Now, remember, yesterday's low was 89 1/2, and so far today's low is 89 3/4. So the market should test it. I would expect it to test it. I would want to see how far the market's able to break down through this low before looking to go short this market on a pullback. So I would need to see the market take out yesterday's low, and then I would look to sell the market on a pullback. Now, since the market has not been able to take out yesterday's low just yet, I would be hesitant to automatically sell this market on a pullback. Okay, so this is what you'd want to do. I would want to measure from that high, which is a significant high. This pullback, right, yesterday when the market rallied up, this was the highest pullback after the low was put in place right in here. So I want to measure from this high down to this low so far, right? We've got our numbers. And then, of course, you could take it from today's high as well, which is right there, to low as well. And you've got some confluence between the 61 and the 38, about 1693. So instead of selling it automatically, I would be more than likely just waiting for a price pattern to develop, right? Based on the second video, the inside and the outside bar. So right now we're Still the low is 1689 and 3/4. We have not broken through yesterday's low yet. So, but there you go. Just a little trade today. Not much of a trade, just a very tiny trade. Sold it there, exited there with 10 and made 275. So, there you have it. If you've got any questions, let me know. Hope that helps. And let's just see what the market does today. What I would expect, let's take a look at a daily chart here. Okay, now this is a daily chart. All-time high was put in place, what, last Thursday? Friday, Monday, Tuesday, yes. Last Thursday, all-time high in the E-Mini S&P 500. Critical level right here, right? I've got two white horizontal lines on my chart. These two represent what I believe is minor support, right? The first one was broken at 1689 1/4. That was the old high, right? And then I've got this one, which is sitting at the low of that gap. See this gap right in here? From this day to this day, it was never filled. I would expect the market to come back and try to fill that gap. And of course, we've got the 50 exponential right here. And this one, as you'll see, that's a 100-day exponential moving average right there, right? And you can see right here how the market really held a support right in here back in late August before this big rally. So that's what we have here. So I am looking at this 1683 3/4 to probably hold. I would expect that level to be tested if the market's able to take out yesterday's low of 89.5. We have not been able to do that yet. We've matched it to the tick. So I would, again, 1689.5 is a number that if it's broken to the downside, I would expect the market to drop at least to 83 3/4, the high of this bar that was put in place on September 13th. Okay? Hope that helps. Have a profitable day. Bye for now.